Good morning, dear students. Today, I'll tell you few steps, few tips that will help you while you are preparing for the exam. Those tips will help you. They are simple, basic steps that you have to follow while preparing for the exam. Okay, so here is the first step. The first step is you have to prepare a balanced schedule for study. What you have to do is you just have to write down how many exams you have, like how many papers you are going to appear in, and how many days you have left for each paper, for each exam, how many days you have left. And then you can organize your study accordingly. Okay, because you may want to give some more extra time to one paper and lesser time to another paper, and in that way you will balance your schedule and you will be comfortable at all. So the first thing is prepare, make a chart, write down the exam schedule, exam number of days, number of papers you have, and plan your study accordingly. Okay, the second step is organize your study space. Study space, the room where you're studying in, like your study room, or your surrounding environment where you're studying, that plays an important role in your exam preparation. There should be calmness, distractions should not be there. You should have enough space there, to spread your textbooks to study, and there should be enough space for your study related material. All right, there should be proper light, comfortable chair, availability of study materials like pencil, paper, highlighter, scale. These things will make you more comfortable. And on the other hand, try to get rid of all the distractions that may distract your focus on studies, like cell phone, computer, games, etc. Leave your phone into another room. Leave your game into another room. Whatever things are distracting you, leave those things into another place. Okay, this will also help you. The third step is organize study groups with friends. Get together with your friends, arrange a study session, but make sure this session will be focused only on study related topics, like no gossips, no chit chat. It should be focused on the study also only. You can discuss questions, you can discuss answers with one another. Sometimes like few concepts, few topics, you must be very aware about those topics. You must have very much knowledge about those topics, and your friends will be knowing more about another topic, so you can exchange your knowledge. You can have the healthy study session, but that study session should be focused only on studies. And at the same time, you have to manage your time. You don't have to spend all the time with your friends for a study session. All right, you have to manage the time also. Fourth is practice on past papers. This step is helpful for senior classes mostly. This will help you to get used to the format. You'll know what the format is all about, or it will give you practice and for making sure you spend the right amount of time on each section. So you can practice on the past exams just to make a proper analysis of how much time you are taking for writing each question, how much time you spent on each section, and are you spending the right amount of time on each section. This will help you. And number 5th is use graphs, charts and diagrams. The graphical representation can be really helpful while preparing certain topics. You can make summaries while studying. You can make charts, you can make graphical representations. This will help you while making revision. When exams are close, these visual aids will help you revise the topics. You can make graphs, you can make summaries, you can represent through any diagram, any graphical representation. These things will help you while you are preparing for the exam. Okay, when you will be revising the topics, these will help you. These summaries will help you, in short.